Okay, so this is the Hallmark Trembling Toads. Features sound and motion, and they like to sing about what will happen when the witch comes back.
I wonder what will happen when the witch comes back. Something bad could happen when the witch comes back. It might be something scary or extraordinary. We'll be very wary when the witch comes back. But wait, at the door I think the witch is back. I'm creaking up the floor. Oh yes, the witch is back. I've got a funny notion. We're pouring a bit of potion. This is way too much potion. The witch is back.
I don't know if you could tell, they were trembling a little bit when they heard the knocking when the witch is back. On the front is Halloween stew, and includes the 2 Tremblin toads right at the top. On-off switch there, the hang tag, there's the handle for the cauldron, and when you flip it over and peel back from the Velcro, it works off of 4 AA batteries, and then there's an on-off switch there as well. And that is the Hallmark Tremblin Toads.